We're in Greenville, South Carolina this morning. We're over near Woodruff Road area, kind of near Verdae. And this customer has a vent pipe under their stairwell. The pipe's congested. In addition, it is in kind of in an awkward location outside of a wall. And this customer is doing a little bit of light remodeling. They're opening up that space. And so we're gonna move the pipe this morning. I'm gonna show you how all that's done. Let's go inside and get started. All right, so this is our Radon vent pipe right here. You can see this used to be like maybe a fireplace, a ventless fireplace, maybe a hearth right here. And this was tucked kind of in the back side of that corner. But they're completely remodeling this space. They want this to be a usable, functional space here. So we're gonna take this pipe right here and we're gonna move it into here. We've already done some pressure field extension testing. So we know this test point under the slab right here underneath the stairs does communicate to our furthest test point over there. So we know we can move it here. So let's go ahead and move the pipe, get rolling on that. Here was our original suction point. We're gonna take and patch this up with some concrete, get rid of it. Unfortunately, it didn't trowel it in very well. You can see how raised up it is, but we're gonna do our best to kind of knock that down some, trowel it up the best we can, get it smoothed out for our customer here. All right, there's our patch in the floor with our concrete. It's pretty rough here. I tried to chip it out with a hammer a little bit, as best I could get it, but you got some spots that are still pretty high. Probably when this is all said and done, I would take a grinder in here, maybe grind the floor down just a smidge, get that leveled out. And then here is our new suction pit. Took out 5 gallons. So we know that this is gonna breathe and move air. So we're gonna put it all back together for this customer. All right, this is all wrapped up. You can see we moved the pipe into here. And then we patched the concrete right there. And this is gonna provide a whole bunch of space here for the customer to store different items in, Christmas supplies, utilities, storage room in essence. All set.